There's a few too many years on this hotel. She used to be a beauty, you can tell. And the lights down in the lobby, they don't shine. They just flicker while the elevator winds. And the couple in the corner of the bar have traveled light and clearly traveled far. She's got nothing left to learn about his heart. And they're sitting there 1,000 miles apart. Baby, let's not ever get that way. I'll say whatever words I need to say. I'll throw rocks at your window from the street. We'll call ourselves the flagship of the fleet. There's a lady shining shoes up by the door, and cowboy boots for $7 more. And I remember how you loved to see them shine, so I run upstairs to get a pair of mine. And there's a painting on the wall beside the bed, the watercolor sky at Hilton Head. And I see you in that summer when we met, and that boy you left in tears in his Corvette. Baby, let's not ever get that way. I'll drive you to the ocean every day. We'll stay up in the presidential suite and call ourselves the flagship of the fleet. You gotta try to keep yourself naive, and in spite of all the evidence, believe, and volunteer to lose touch with the world and focus on one solitary girl. Baby, let's not live to see it fade. I'll cancel all the plans I've ever made. I'll drive and you can ride in the back seat. We'll call ourselves the flagship of the fleet.